Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. We're back at it. And I just want to give a quick market update on what we've been feeling in the mortgage/real estate industry over the past month. Now, I'm not going to sit here and try to paint a picture like it's been, unicorns and rainbows, because it definitely has not. With interest rates climbing, it has pretty much turned into a straight purchase market. So for people in the mortgage industry, it's tough because all the refinances have pretty much washed up, and that's about 50% of most mortgage loan officers' business, right? So unless a person is looking to pull some equity out of their home and maybe do a cash out refinance to, pull cash out or consolidate their debt, most rate and term refinances are gone because most people have already locked in an interest rate that's lower than what is currently on the market right now, right? So it's flipped to an all purchase market. And that's fine for shops like mine, where we've been doing purchase business pretty much my whole career, right? But it doesn't mean that it's not hard right now and a difficult market to maneuver in. It's really hard. You really got to work extra hard to find that next deal, right? But some positive news is that it is now a full-blown buyer's market, okay? Where, just a few months ago, it was a full-on seller's market where houses were coming on the market, being sold for 50 to 100 grand over asking price and flying off the shelf in one day. Well, now houses are coming on the market and they're just sitting there. And so now buyers can actually go in and negotiate terms that are favorable to them and not the seller. So they can go in and ask for money off the sales price. They can go in and ask for seller concessions to pay for their closing costs. They can go in and ask for seller concessions to buy their interest rate down, right? So that they can get a lower interest rate and a lower monthly payment, right? So if you are a buyer looking to buy right now, don't let a higher interest rate, take you off that path, because you can actually go in and get the house that you want right now, where before you probably found 10 houses that you liked, but because there were so many contracts going in on that same property, you never won the bid. You never actually got the house you wanted, and you probably ended up settling for a house that was like 11th on your list, right? So now if you find one that you like, you can actually go in and actually negotiate terms that are favorable for you and buy the house that you want, okay? So yes, you might have a little bit of a higher interest rate right now and a little bit of a higher monthly payment to obtain that property, but once they get this market corrected, let's say a year from now, right, and they get interest rates turned around and heading back down in the right direction, then we'll go ahead and refinance you at that point in time and lower your interest rate, and we'll lower your monthly payment to get it back down to where it used to be, right? But you'll at least have the house that you want under lockdown, right? And you'll be moved in and you'll be settled. And then all of a sudden you come into a much lower interest rate and a much lower monthly payment. And now you've hit the jackpot, basically, right? So yes, there are some bad things with this market, but there are also good things if you are a buyer, and especially if you are a renter. You might as well stop renting now, because, rent is just going to keep going up. So get out of the rental properties and purchase something for yourself. And if you need help with the down payment, we got you covered there too with our down payment assistance program. So if you need help, give us a call, 703-856-4412, or shoot me a message, and we'd be more than happy to help you. Or if you just want to talk about what's going on in the market in a little more detail, we can do that as well. All right, we're here to help. We're open all the time. Give us a call. Talk to you soon. Thanks.